Scott, let's do these quick hits. Let's talk about Wynn and Las Vegas Sands. These stocks have been on fire. So where do we go here?
I still think there's a little trade left. This is the group we follow. You know, Wynn's been the class of the group. Wynn already is at new highs. I don't think you could chase it here. It's actually coming out with earnings today, so I'm not sure what it's doing. LVS was a trade for us yesterday. It's still on the move. It broke above this pennant that we talked about. I think this has room back to at least 48, 49. So there is some, say, fuel left in the tank there. I think there's some action to go with. But I think there's some other sectors that have some quick hits for today as well.
Well, let's talk about those. Let's talk about Under Armour and Lulu. These retailers also 52-week highs. And I'm a little concerned that PE is a little rich for me. So how do you deal with that?
Well, the funny thing about rich PEs is that for fundamental analysis, a lot of people stay away from them. But for momentum stock players, those rich PEs are the stocks that move. And Lulu made 52-week highs yesterday. Just to give you a quick look, I don't think you want to go with it today. I'm going to watch Under Armour for a similar move, for it to get to new highs. If this can go above 75, I think we see north of 80. And also, one more, just to throw it in there, Ralph Lauren, nice upper base, starting to wake up again. I think you could add if this makes a move above 129 and holds.
And then we've got Redif and Sci-Fi. How are we trading those?
All right, this is the Indian internet sector. Okay, Redif is a name from the past. It's a speculative one, so you need to know your risk for this. But that area is growing as well. I see volume coming in. I'm hearing some institutions talk about it. If you look at Redif, I think that this can make new highs, and this could have a very explosive move. This was the time we were talking about it, around 650. Now it's right near these highs. I'm long some of this too. This thing starts getting above 950. I think it sees new high above 990, and this thing could be 13 to 15 and maybe even higher. If you look at the move in some of these Chinese internets, you could see that these Indian ones could play a little